Climate change is the change in global or regional climate patterns. Climate change is a real-world issue that is affecting our planet. Many people do not realize that everyday things they do, such as driving a car, will cause climate change. Scientists have concluded that the current warming trend will continue and that most of the change is caused by humans. The debate is over. Humans are a major cause of climate change, and steps need to be taken so that it does not get any worse for the environment and the world. What's causing the Earth to heat up? The greenhouse effect is warming that results when the atmosphere traps heat and radiates it back to Earth. The greenhouse effect is worsened by the release of so-called greenhouse gases, such as CO2. Human activities make things worse. Cars release 24 pounds of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere every time a gallon of gas is used. In the past century, CO2 releases caused by the burning of fossil fuels have massively increased. The results: warmer temperatures on Earth, warming sea temperatures, and crops not growing in their original habitat because the temperature has changed. Climate change causes a devastating effect on the environment. For example, it affects the changes in the timing of seasonal life cycle events. The climate in which an organism lives affects the timing of events that occur in their life, such as migration, blooming, and reproduction. Since winters have become shorter and milder, the timing of these events has changed slightly. For example, in a California study, 16 out of 23 butterfly species shifted their migration timing and arrived earlier. Climate change has been one of the reasons that caused extinction rates to go up. The IPCC estimates that 20 to 30% of the plant and animal species evaluated so far in climate change studies are at risk of extinction if temperatures reach the levels that they are estimated to by the end of the century. Plants and animals at the most risk are the ones that are adapted to mountain or sea ice habitats. Climate change is causing the ice caps to melt, which causes rising sea levels. Globally, 8 of the 10 world's largest cities are close to a shoreline. These cities are at risk for storm surges and flooding that can cause massive damage. Rising sea levels put stress on coastal ecosystems that provide recreation, protection from storms, and a habitat for fish and wildlife. Climate change is also causing the seas to warm, and this affects the coral reefs. Higher sea temperatures causes coral bleaching, which kills the coral, which is a critical habitat loss for many organisms. Also, the higher concentration of carbon dioxide has increased the absorption of carbon dioxide into the ocean, which makes the ocean more acidic. Something needs to be done about climate change. Sea levels are rising and temperatures are steadily increasing. Many organisms are losing their homes and dying. Something needs to be done before it's too late. The primary cause of climate change comes from humans, so humans can also develop solutions. We can reduce the release of harmful greenhouse gases by taking public transport more, using renewable energy such as solar panels, and using energy wisely.